Hello students, welcome again. Um, Already have solved two exercises of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals 2.1 as well as 2.2. Today I am solving exercise 2.3, or I am teaching exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, many questions are left as per the instruction of the government. Government instructed us to leave some problems. For example, in the exercise 2.3, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th mains are skipped as per the instruction of the government, and there will be no question will be asked from 5, 6, 7 and 8th main. Okay, the remaining problems will be discussed. And similarly, in this way, many topics will be skipped from even from chapter 1 also. And exercise 2.1, 2.2 we will instruct you afterwards once the school reopens. But now onwards, what are the important questions are there, or the questions which are asked by the government to solve for you all, those questions will be I am going to solve. And I hope you all got the textbooks and you can refer the textbook for questions easily, even though I am writing all questions here. Okay, let me start. Exercise 2.3, chapter 2, fractions and decimals. First main, find. Find means you have to solve. Find 1.4 of 1 by 4, B 3 by 5, C 4 by 3. Total 3 questions are there. You have to find 1 by 4 of. This is common for all 3 questions. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 3 questions you have to solve here. What I will do, I will solve first A and B, and I will leave C as a homework for you. Here also I will solve only one question and I will give 2 as a homework for you. Very easy solutions are there, easy methods are there. Let me take first one. First main, first one, 1 by 4 of A. In first A, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of A, that is 1 by 4. Solution. What I taught you in the previous exercise, take off as a into. 1 by 4, take this off as a into or multiplication sign. 1 by 4. How to multiply any two fractions? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Because in multiplication there is no concept of equating the denominator. Only in addition and subtraction we have to equate the denominator. Okay, we need like fractions in case of addition and subtraction, and in case of multiplication and division we don't want any like fractions. We can work with the like fraction also, even we can work with the unlike fractions also. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, 1 into 1 will give you 1. 4 4s are 16. So your answer is 1 by 16. Let us take B1, that is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Solution. What you have to do? Take off as a multiplication sign. 1 by 4, take this off as a into, in this 3 by 5. Into means numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 3, 4 into 5. 1 into 3 will give you 3, 4 into 5 will give you 20. So your answer is 3 by 20. If you want to cancel, you can cancel, otherwise you can leave it. Take this C question, that is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3 as a homework. You take this and you calculate. Even also in second main I will solve only, in second sub question I will solve only 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. Similar same method, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, take off as again into 1 by 7 off as into 2 by 9. So what you have to do here, one by 7 into 2 by 9, numerator into numerator, 1 into 2, 7 into 9, 1 into 2 will give you 2, 7 into 9, 63. So your answer is 2 by 63. As these are very easy questions, I am leaving B and C as a homework for you. Calculate 1 by 7 of 6 by 5, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Okay, try it in your homework. You take it as a homework. Right? Okay. Let's move to the second main of this exercise 2.3. Let me read the heading. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. We need to multiply given two fraction. We have to find the answer. If that answer is, if it is possible to reduce to its lowest form. What do you mean by lowest form? If we go on cancelling the numerator and denominator with the one table and we reach a point where cancellation is not possible, such a situation or the last stage is called as a lowest form. So we have to reduce the answer to lowest form if possible. Means sometimes we get answers in lowest form only. In that case we can't reduce it. Sometimes we can reduce the answer to lowest form. Okay, it depends. We have to check. If it is possible, we have to do it. If it is not possible, we should not try it. Okay, take second main, first one. Second main, first one. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, so here one is a proper fraction, another one is a mixed fraction. In between these two, which operation is there? Multiplication is there. We need to find the solution. If possible, we have to reduce that solution to simplest form. This is the way how we are going to solve it. So what we studied, first convert this mixed fraction to improper. Whenever we convert any mixed fraction, we'll always get a improper only. We will never get mixed fraction. Whenever we convert mixed fraction, we will never get a proper. We will always get a improper only. So next step is to convert this mixed fraction to improper. 2 by 3 as it is into as it is. How to convert mixed into improper? Here into, here plus. Here into, here plus. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. And denominator, what is there here? No, same denominator will come here. 8 by 3. Right? One is proper, another one is improper. Numerator is greater, therefore it is improper. Here numerator is smaller, therefore it is a proper. So next step is numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 into 8, 3 into 3. 2 8s are how much? 2 8s are 16. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now you check whether you will get single, whether you are going to get 16 and 9 in single table. 16 is present in 2 table, but 9 is not present in 2 table. In 3 we have 9, but we don't have 16. In 4 we have 16, we don't have 9 in 4 table. Therefore it is impossible to find 16 as well as 9 in single table. Therefore this is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Therefore no need to reduce it. It is already in a simplest form. Move to second question. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Okay. Solution. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Actually, one more method is there. You can cancel any denominator with any numerator, with any denominator, but you cannot cancel two denominators. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Whenever multiplication sign is there between two fraction, you can cancel this denominator with any numerator. Either you can cancel with this numerator or this one, or you can cancel any numerator with any one of the denominator, but the condition is multiplication must be there. In addition and subtraction you can't do this. Okay, so you will get easy answer. But even though if you want to follow the simple method, you can go by the rules: numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Instead of multiplying and cancelling afterwards, okay, you can cancel 7 here only. It is quite easy. Okay, you can cancel 7 1s are 7 1s are. So what remains? 2 into, in place of 1 7, what came here? 1. In place of 7, 1 into 9. 2 into 1 will give you what? 2. 1 into 9 will give you 9. 2 by 9. Just think in which table you will get 2 and 9. In single table you must get 2 and 9, which is not possible because 2 is a prime number. In 2 table 9 is not present. In any other table 2 is not present. Therefore it is already in a simplest form. Okay, even though here if you don't cancel it, you will get 2 7s are 14, 7 9s are 63. 14 by 63 will get. 14 by 63 means okay, I will show you. If here if you don't cancel here, if you continue in a similar way, whether you will get 2 by 9 or not. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದನ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2 7s are 14, 7 9s are 63 ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಈಗ 14 ಮತ್ತು 63 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗದ? 7 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗದ. 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. ಸೊ 7 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ because both are available in 7 table, so I can cancel with 7 table. 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. Final again you will get answer 2 by 9 only. Okay, instead of multiplying then cancelling, it is better no, here only you can cancel any numerator with any denominator, but you can't cancel any two denominator, any two numerator. ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ you can do is take third one as a homework. Even you can take take fourth one also as a homework. I will solve fifth and take this sixth one as also homework. I will solve fifth and seventh. Fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Look here, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Hmm. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. very easy solution. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 by 15 divided by 3 into 8. But what I told you, you can cancel any denominator with any numerator. Can you see here 3 and 15? Even you can cancel this 15 with the 8, but you will not get a 15 and 8 in a single table. But we can get but we can get 3 and 15 in single table, no? That is 3 table. Therefore 3 ones are 3. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. So our new one, instead of 15, 5 will come here. Instead of 3, 1 will come, and which are not cancelled, the numbers which are not cancelled will be as it is. 1 will be as it is, 8 will be as it is. Instead of 15, 5 will come. Instead of 3, 1 will come. Now you proceed. 1 into 5 will give you 5. 1 into 8 will give you 8. Can you find 5 and 8 in single table? It is not possible. Therefore it is the simplest form. Okay. Then last seventh one I told 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. 12 by 7. Okay, look here. Solution. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. Okay. Is there any possibility in 5 table 4 is also not there, 12 is also not there? You can't cancel. In 7 table 4 is also not there, 12 is also not there. So in both way you can't cancel any numerator with any denominator. Therefore in that case you have to proceed it. 12 4s are how much? 48. 5 7s are 35. Will you get 48 and 35 in single table? No, it is not possible, because whenever you get 5 as a last digit, another number must have 0 or 5 number as a last digit, then only it will cancel. Otherwise it is not possible. Therefore it is the simplest form. Okay, right. Here third main, for the fractions given below, multiply and reduce the product to lowest one. First what we have to do, for given fractions we have to multiply, reduce the product to lowest form if possible. Okay, multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿ, ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸಿ, if fraction obtained is improper, then convert it into mixed fraction. Only we can convert improper to mixed to improper. We cannot convert proper to mixed. Remember this, we cannot convert proper fraction to mixed fraction. Only we can convert improper fraction to mixed. So if our answer is improper, convert it to mixed fraction. 3 directions are there here. 3 ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಜೋಡಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 7 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೋಸ್ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, first question. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದ ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಿಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅದ. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 will give you 21, and ಇದರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್, ಇದು ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎರಡು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ 5 2 ಜೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 5 21 ಜೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಜೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 5. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 0 ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ 5 ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 1 ಅದ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ನಾಗ 21 ಅದ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 4 5s are 20 ಅದ, 4 6s are 24 ಅದ, 21 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ 4 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ. 4 and 2 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಇವೆರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಎದ್ರ ಜೋಡಿ ಆದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 4ಅನ್ನು. ಈ 5ಅನ್ನು ಇವೆರಡರು ಎದ್ರೊಳಗಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 2 and 4 ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? in place of 2 1 will come. The numbers which are not cancelled will be as it is. 5 will be as it is. Instead of 4 2 will come. Now you multiply. 1 into 21 will give you 1 into 21 will give you 21. 5 into 2 will give you 10. 21 and 10 are not available in single table because 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2? ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ obtained is proper or improper. Tell me whether 21/10 is proper or improper. Answer or solution answer is or you can say answer is improper. Improper, no, numerator is larger, denominator is smaller. Answer is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is C sub question? If fraction obtained is improper, convert it into mixed fraction. We need to convert this 21/10 into what? Mixed fraction. How to convert 21/10 into mixed fraction? 21 divided by 10. 21 divided by 10. 21 divided by 10. So 10 2s are 20. 21 minus 20 will give you 1. Now it is smaller, you can't do it. So this is a remainder, this is a quotient, this is a divisor. In which form we have to write it? Q R by D. Write this in a Q R by D. Q is a 2/R. So one divisor is 10. So total 3 answers are there. First answer, second answer, third answer. Okay, in the similar fashion you have to solve all 4 questions, right? Okay, let me take a second question. 6 2/5. 6 2/5 into 7/9. 6 2/5 into 7. Same, in the similar way you have to do solution. Convert, mix it to improper into plus 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 will give you 32. Same denominator will come into 7/9. Both are, one is a improper, another one is a proper. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 32 into 7. 32 into 7 divided by 5 into 9. Okay, see, 5 cannot be cancelled with 32 and 7. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಜೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 5 ಆದರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 9ಅನ್ನು 7 ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 7 ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. 7 ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ 9 7 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 9 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 32 ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಎನಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 32 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವುದೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 7 2s are 14, 14ಗೆ 4, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, 2 24, 5 9s are 45. And you can't cancel it or you can't reduce it to simplest form because here last digit is 5. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಅಥವಾ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 4 ಅದ, ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೌ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್. Numerator is larger than denominator, no, therefore it is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. Once you say that it's improper fraction, what is our next step? We have to convert this improper to mixed fraction. That is, we need to convert 224 into 45 into mixed fraction. Means 224 divided by 45. So in 45 table, nearby value 45 6 45 6 is how much? You just calculate here. 45 6 270 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 45 5s you have to check. 225 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ one number is greater. So 45 4s you have to go. 45 4s 45 4s is how much? 180. 55 4s is 180. Okay, so 180 cancel ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, subtraction ಮಾಡಿ. 4 minus 0 will give 4, 12 minus 8 4 1. So remainder is 44. This is a remainder, this is a quotient, this is a divisor. In which form we have to write? QR by D form we have to write. So QR by D form, QR by D form means what? Q quotient is how much? 4, R is 44, D is how much? 45. So our answer is 444 by 45 is our answer. Okay, so in similar fashion, if you want, I will solve remaining two also. Let me see. This is a sixth question. I took sixth question. 2 3 by 5 into 3. 2 3 by 5 into 3. Solution. 2 3 by 5 mix it to improper. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3s are 13, 13 by 5 into 3 means what? 3 by 1, no, you can take it as a 3 by 1. Now numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. You can't cancel 5 with the 13 also, 3 also. And if you cancel 1 with the 13, you will get same answer, so no need to cancel it. Go further. 13 3s is how much? 13 3s are 39, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5, 39 by 5. 39 by 5 is a simplest form in itself only, because 39 5 you can't find in a single table, therefore this is the simplest form. Tell me which type of fraction it is. A improper fraction. Improper fraction. How to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? Okay, I will do it directly. 39 by 5 is equal to 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, which is larger. Therefore, we should limit ourselves to 5 7 are 35. So, if you remove 35 out of this 39, how much remains? 39 minus 35 will give you 4, and this 5 as it is. You check it. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 4 39, this 5 as it is. You got the idea? 5 7s are 35. If you remove 35 from this 39, how much remains? 4 here, and this divisor as it is. Okay. So our answer is 7 4 by 5, right? So this seventh one, you can take this as a homework. Okay, you can take this one as a homework. At least you take this one as a homework. 3 by 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay, you solve, you will get the answer. This is a fourth main. This is a fourth main. Which is greater? Here, look here. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Here, or is given, or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Okay, they are asking which one is greater among these two. In that case, we need to solve it first. Separately you need to solve it. 2 by 7 of, take it as into 3 by 4. Okay. 2 into 3, or 2 into 3 divided by 7 by 4. You can cancel this 2 with 4 now. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 into 3 will give you 3, 7 into 2 will give you 14. 3 by 14 is our answer. Here 3 by 5, or take off as a into 5 by 8. 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 8. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Right? 3 into 1 will give you 3, 1 into 8 will give you 8. But you can't compare this 3 by 14 with the 3 by 8 because the denominator are different. Here 14, here 8. So what you have to do, in 14 and 8, which is a, in 14 table as well as in 8 table, which is a common number. Even you can take the LCM also. 14 and 8, if you take 14 and 8 LCM, you will get same answer. But in general, if I think in 14 and 8, I think 32 is a common. 32 is a common number. 14 3s are 1 minute. You can take the LCM. 14 and 8. Okay. Or one more method I gave you. If numerator are same, you can compare the denominator, but logic is reverse. Which one is smaller, that one is greater. Which one, the fraction whose denominator is greater is a smaller. This is one logic I explained. If numerators are equal, they are already equal. If you don't want this method, you can this is the better way, I think. If you go for LCM, it will take too much time. See here, numerators are same. If numerators are same, the denominator which is smaller will be greater fraction. The fraction with a greater denominator will be smaller. Therefore, I will write the symbol, this as a greater, this one as a smaller. Okay, I hope you got this idea. Even if you think it generally, 3 rupees you are distributing among 14 peoples. each one will get a very small amount. If you divide this same 3 rupees among 8 peoples, each person will get larger amount, no? Therefore this fraction is larger compared to this 3 by 14. That's it. This is the answer. This is our answer. In similar way, this much is enough. One more question is there in textbook, you can try that. Okay, I hope you understood. Once again I will show you all solutions. You can take screenshots. You can take screenshot. Question main, first main, second main, solutions. Right. This much is enough, don't worry. Whatever questions I skipped according to the instruction given by the government. Therefore the questions which I left will not be asked in any examination. Even if exams are conducted, those questions will not be asked. And even the government instructed to skip those questions on the basis that those questions are not necessary. Means even though by skipping those questions you will not be deprived of any knowledge you required to learn in this class. Means enough knowledge you will get from this topic. Okay, fine. See you again all in next session. Thank you one and all.